Hello, I'm Jana. I'm from the band Francis of Delirium. We make indie rock music currently. We're based out of Luxembourg, but I'm Canadian, and my collaborator is from the States, from Seattle. I think it's important to keep making music and using your voice for good change. I think when you have privilege, it's important to use that privilege to fight for the freedom of other people, because there's freedom everywhere, and if you have freedom, you should be sharing it.